Adan Abdullah Mohammed, having been appointed as the Commissioner General of the Kenya Revenue Authority, do swear that I will be true and faithful to the best of my ability and power of execution of the trust committed to my charge and inspection in the service of the Kenya Revenue Authority, and that I shall not acquire, take, or receive any fee, gratuity, or reward, whether pecuniary or of any sort or description whatsoever, either directly or indirectly, for any service, act, duty, matter, or thing done or performed, or to be done or performed in the execution or discharge of any of the duties of my office or employment on any account whatsoever other than my salary and or allowances, or as may be allowed by law in writing, and I shall not divulge or give out any document or information to any person, nor permit access by unauthorized persons, save as permitted by law. So help me